everyone, welcome back to my channel Haitian Dining with Mary. In today's video I will show you how to clean and cook chicken in sauce, also known as Poule sauce. Thanks to the suggestion from Misunderstood 718. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients: 1 whole chicken cut in pieces, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 3 limes cut in half, 1 cup sour orange juice, 1 tablespoon salt. Those ingredients are just for cleaning. These are the ingredients that I will be using to season the chicken: 1 tablespoon sour orange juice mixed with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup epis, 1 hot pepper, 1 tablespoon sofrito, a teaspoon of tabasco, a half teaspoon oregano, and 1 package of chicken bouillon. These are the ingredients to cook the chicken and make the sauce: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 whole sliced onion, 1/2 green pepper, 1/2 red pepper, 6 cloves, some parsley and thyme. Now I'm adding the apple cider vinegar, the lime juice, and the salt to clean the chicken. Now I'm cleaning the chicken. I cut the legs so the season can penetrate into the chicken. And also remove the fat from the chicken. Now I'm washing the chicken to remove the vinegar and the lime. Now I'm going to wash the chicken a second time. I rub the limes against each piece of the chicken. I rinse the chicken for a final time. I cut the tendons of the drumstick because I don't like it. After the chicken has been cleaned, I pour the boiling water all over the chicken to disinfect it. I let it sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm removing the chicken from the hot water to begin the seasoning process. Now I'm adding all the ingredients and let it marinate 30 minutes to 1 hour for better flavor. Now I'm adding oil and brown sugar and let it brown for 2 minutes to get a nice color to the chicken. After the brown sugar has been melted and get a dark color, I add the chicken in. I'm adding 1 cup of water to cook the chicken. I cover the pot and let it cook for 30 minutes. After the chicken has been cooked for 30 minutes, I'm adding the tomato paste. After I'm adding the tomato paste in, I'm adding the water to dilute the tomato paste and prevent the chicken from sticking to the pan. Now I'm adding parsley, thyme, and cloves. Now I'm adding the butter. Now I'm adding the green and red pepper. Now I'm adding the water to make the sauce. Now I'm testing if you need any salt. Now I taste the sauce and it needs a sprinkle of salt. Now I'm adding the onions in and let the chicken simmer for 10 minutes in low heat. Now this is the end result. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching the video. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye!